Today I will discuss the concept of isosterism and bioisosterism. This concept is highly used in drug design and discovery for designing a new molecule. So, isosterism and bioisosterism was introduced by Langmuir in 1919. It is replacement or modification of functional group or atom with other having similar properties is known as isosteric and bioisosteric replacement. Why bioisosterism is so important? Because the atom or groups in drug molecule have physical properties like shape and size, that is steric effect. Electronic effect means electronic distribution in molecule, lipophilicity, that is lipid solubility, hydrophilicity, pKa, chemical reactivity, and hydrogen bonding, which influence the potency, specificity, and selectivity of drug molecule with receptor, which results in drug action or biological response. Bioisosterism techniques helps to understand the above parameters for design and discovery of drug molecule. So, the term isosterism is interchange of atom and groups having similar electronic and steric properties, or replacement of atom or groups which mimic the other group. The group or atom which mimics have same shape or size and electronic distribution. These compounds or groups or atoms are called isosters having some same physical properties. For example, C double bond O and double bond N. The total number of electron in C double bond is 14 and the total number of electron in N double bond is also 14. So both are isoster and mimic each other. Here O2 minus F minus Na plus Mg2 plus Al plus have 10 electrons, so all are isosters. ClO4 minus and SO4 2 minus and CO2 and N2O are also isosters having same number of electrons. As Langmuir studied on isosterism and he compared the physical properties of first N2 and CO and N2O and CO2, and third group is N3 and NCO, they found these groups in similar physical property. On the basis of above study, he identified 21 groups of isosters which are listed in the table. In table, each group of electron are similar in number of electrons and their physical properties. After a study by Langmuir, this concept was developed by Grimm and he formulated hydride displacement law. Hydride displacement law stated that atoms anywhere up to 4 places in periodic system before an inert gas change their property by uniting 1 to 4 hydrogen atoms in such a manner that resulting combination behaves like pseudo atoms which are similar to elements in the group 1 to 4 places respectively to their right. In table, the isosters for nitrogen atom is CH as per hydride displacement law before 4 places from nitrogen atom by adding 1 to 4 hydrogen atom form pseudo atom. Carbon is before one place to nitrogen and after adding one hydrogen it forms CH group and have same number of electrons, say 7, which is same as nitrogen and are called isosters. These are example of isosters formed by adding 1 to 4 hydrogen before 4 places in periodic table. Hans Erlenmeyer in 1932 further studied and expanded Grimm classification of isosters, and he redefined isosters as atom, ions and molecule in which peripheral layers of electron, also called valence electrons, are considered as identical. For example, Cl, Cn and SCN have same valence electron, that is 1, but having different number of atom. In this table, the atom shows same peripheral electron or valence electrons 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 denotes number of valence electron. N plus, P plus, S plus, AS plus and SB plus shows 4 valence electrons where P, AS, SB shows 5 valence electron. For 6, 7 and 8 groups, these atoms show same valence electrons. So, on the basis of earlier studies, isosteres have been classified into two classes, that is classical and non-classical. The first classical isosteres have been divided into following categories, that is monovalent atom or groups, the atom which have valency 1 or mono substitution, for example D and H, F and H, NH2 and OH, RSH and ROH, F minus, OH minus, and NH2 and CH3, Cl, Br, SH and OH. The second one is divalent atom or groups. The atom or groups which have valency 2 or di substitution, for example C double bond C, N double bond N, C double bond O, C double bond S, CH2, NH, O and S. The third one is trivalent atom or groups. The atom or groups which have valency 3, for example CH and N. The fourth one is tetra substituted atom. The atom or groups which have valency 4 or tetra substituted, for example R4C, R4Si, R4N. The fifth one is ring equivalent. Isosteric replacement in ring results in different analogues. The figure shows that the example of two rings where in first benzene ring C atom is replaced by N atom, and second figure results in heterocyclic compound. The second is non-classical isosteres. Non-classical isosteres do not obey the steric and electronic properties, that is they do not obey hydride displacement law. Also in table these are example of non-classical isosteres. So I further explain the term classical and non-classical isosteres broadly in my next slide. So first is classical isosteres. In classical isosteres, further subdivided division get first monovalent atom or groups. As I said earlier, atoms having valency 1 or mono substitution, it is divided into following class: fluorine versus hydrogen replacement, amino versus hydroxyl replacement, thiol versus hydroxyl interchange, fluorine, hydroxyl, amino and methyl group interchanges. The fifth one is chloro, bromo, thiol and hydroxyl group interchanges. So the first is fluorine versus hydrogen replacement. Hydrogen atom is replaced by fluorine atom. In this figure, the compound uracil, the fifth position hydrogen is replaced by fluorine to get 5-fluoro-uracil, which is a potent anti-cancer agent. The next is amino versus hydroxyl interchange. As both the group have monovalency and similar steric and spatial arrangement, they act as hydrogen bond acceptor or donor. In this figure, X is equal to OH, which is replaced by amino group to form aminopterine, where aminopterine has high binding affinity to enzyme dihydrofolate reductase in comparison to folic acid. The next is thiol versus hydroxyl interchange. Both groups have same monovalency and act as hydrogen bond acceptor or donor. For example, in an attempt to enhance the calcium channel blocking capacity of certain dihydropyridine agent, substitution of hydroxyl with amino resulted in analogues with similar potency, and substitution with thiol resulted in enhanced potency. The next is fluorine, hydroxyl, amino and methyl group interchange. In N2-mercaptomethyl 3-phenyl butanoyl amino acid were evaluated as inhibitor for NEP, that is natural endopeptidase, and ACE, that is angiotensin converting enzyme 2, which upon inactivation by these inhibitor result in diuretic and natriuretic effect. So substitution in these compound N2-mercaptomethyl 3-phenyl butanoyl amino acid by fluorine hydroxyl amino group result in retention of activity. It was observed in this series there is increase in van der Waals radii of isosteric replacement results in decrease in activity, so no significant alteration of activity either natural endopeptidase and angiotensin converting enzyme was observed. The next is chlorobromothiol and hydroxyl group interchange. The replacement of N11-dimethyl ethyl 3-oxo 4 and androsten 17 beta carboxamide analog with chlorobromohydroxy and thiol substituent at position 4 results in enhanced potency of hydroxy and chloro substitution because of the steric and electronic preferences by enzyme 5 alpha reductases. 5 alpha reductases convert testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, so inhibition of 5 alpha reductases is of recent pharmaceutical interest. The next is divalent isosteres. Divalent isosteres can be divided into two subgroups. First is divalent replacement involving double bonds, and the second is divalent replacement involving two single bonds. So the first is divalent replacement involving two double bonds. This category involves replacements such as C double bond S, C double bond O, C double bond NH and C double bond C. For example, in this figure, the replacement of C double bond S with C double bond O in Toller state, which is an aldose reductase inhibitor, resulting in oxo-Toller state with retained activity. Result for aldose reductase inhibition for both in vitro and in vivo are almost same for both compound. The next is divalent replacement involving two single bonds. Divalent isosteres substitution involve replacement of C bond C bond C, C bond NH bond C, C bond O bond C and C bond S bond C. In this figure, clonidine, which is antihypertensive drug and have greater selectivity for imidazole receptor I1, Sean and co-worker in 2001 designed rilmenidine by molecular modification in clonidine compound. The oxygen atom is in oxazoline ring of rilmenidine is replaced by methylene group, results in new pyrroline derivative, and replacement of monovalent group by substitution of hydrogen atom in C4 and C5 of derivative by methyl group gives cis trans 4,5 dimethyl homologue. The modification occurring in ralmenidine have increase in affinities comparable to clonidine lead compound with superior selectivity with imidazole receptor I1. The next is trivalent isosteres. In trivalent isosteres, replacement is CH double bond with N double bond. This replacement is found in cholesterol, resulted in 20-25 diazocholesterol, in which is potent inhibitor of cholesterol biosynthesis. The next is tetravalent isosteres. In tetravalent isosteres, the interchange of quaternary nitrogen atom with tertiary carbon atom has been used. As for example, the acyl carnitine analog is potent carnitine acyl transferase inhibitor, and bioisosteric replacement in the compound acyl carnitine of OH group with NH2 and replacement of trimethyl ammonium group with tertiary butyl group result in similar rate constant for both figure 2 and 3. Another example of tetravalent replacement is alpha tocopherol for the use to scavenge lipoperoxide and superoxide radicals, results in reduced cardiac damage due to myocardial infarction. In the structure, all the bioisosteric replacement analog on the position X were found to produce similar biological activity, or in other words results in retention of activity. Next is ring equivalents. The isosteric replacement applied within ring system result in different heterocyclic compound. The aromatic ring carbon is replaced by nitrogen or sulfur in potent antihistamine drugs. In figure, the antihistamine drug Antergan and the substitution on X with nitrogen and R with OCS3 results in potent antihistamine drug mepyramine. Now, non-classical isoesters. A non-classical isoesters may or may not have the same steric or electronic characteristics. They have uh, not the same number of atoms. The non-classical isoesters have same physicochemical properties which may be interchangeable, resulting in similar biological effect. These isoesters mimics spatial arrangement and electronic properties or some other physicochemical properties like lipophilicity or hydrophilicity of the molecule or group, which are very important for biological activity. Non-classical is divided into two segments. First one is classic class cyclic versus non-cyclic non-classical bioisosteric replacement. In this class, cyclic group is replaced by non-cyclic functional moiety or group. These non-cyclic functional moiety mimics cyclic group sterically or electronically, means shape and size or electronic distribution mimics, results in retention of biological activity. For example, the figure of estradiol from 1 has particular spatial configuration essential for activity, and the orientation of phenolic and ethyl group in diethylestylbistrol 2 has correct orientation for binding to estrogenic receptor, and this arrangement is done by breaking the bond of estradiol ring. The cis isomer of diethylestylbistrol is only 1 by 14th times active than trans isomer, that is figure 2. The second is non-classical bioisostereotic replacement of functional groups. It is divided into following parts. The first is hydroxyl group bioisosteres. The replacement of hydroxyl group by alkyl sulfonamido group is highly used. Both group have similar acidity as compared to each other. In this figure, the NH portion of alkyl sulfonamido group is closely aligned itself to receptor as compared to hydroxyl group. The next is carbonyl group bioisosteres. The carbonyl group bioisosteres is successfully used for the replacement of aldehyde or ketone group. As we know, carbonyl group contains carbon and oxygen atoms, and difference in electronegativity of these atoms results in partial positive charge on carbon atom and partial negative charge on oxygen atom. In the figure of benzophenone, the X group is substituted by different bioisosteres like C double bond NOH, C double bond ONH, S and SO and SO2. It was observed that in benzophenone, where X is equal to C double bond O, the binding affinity with LTB4 receptor is 85. This receptor is associated for inflammation. Benzophenone and its analogues are inhibitor of LTB4 receptor, results in development of new drug for the treatment of these disease. It was found that substitution of oxime in table shows similar affinity as compared to C double bond O. The substitution on X with amide in the table and sulfur D2F also almost similar affinity with the receptor as compared to benzophenone. Sulfoxide and sulfones are recognized as non-classical bioisosteres for carbonyl group. The next is carboxylate group bioisosteres. Carboxylate group consists of hydroxyl portion or entire carboxylate portion. Both hydroxyl and entire carboxylate portion are involved in bioisosteric replacement. So the first is replacement involving only hydroxyl portion. The replacement of hydroxyl portion of carboxylic group with phenyl sulfonamide results in sulfonamide formation, which is potent antibacterial agent. The physicochemical properties like pKa of sulfonamide is almost similar to carboxylic acid. Another example of this replacement is with OH portion in 7,6-hexane amido indole heptane derivatives as compared to sulfonamide. In this figure, when X equals OH obtained 7,6-hexane amido indole heptane derivative as compared with sulfonamide when X is NH2 NHSO2pH, it was observed that binding ability in terms of antagonize LTE4 receptor is very much similar, that is 53 and 58. So indole derivative has been successfully employed as comparison with sulfonamide. The second is replacement involving entire carboxylate functional group. Sulfonamide is one of the best non-classical bioisosteres used to replace entire carboxylate group. Another bioisosteres like tetrazole is used for replacement of carboxyl group. Study observed the comparison of physicochemical properties between tetrazole and carboxyl group and its anionic form. This reveals that the tetrazole replaced carboxyl group and is used with success within different class of medicinal agent. By comparison with physiological pH between these groups shows that tetrazole is 10 times more lipophilic with similar acidity, and pKa is 4.9, so that observed for carboxyl group is 4.2 to 4.4. In this table, a comparison of physicochemical properties like lipophilicity pi, electronic effect sigma, and molar refractive index Mr for steric effect of carboxyl group and its anionic form with those of tetrazole in both neutral and anionic form. The result reveals that tetrazole is almost 10 times more lipophilic while having similar acidity. pKa equals 4.9 that observed for carboxylic acid pKa, that is 4.2 to 4.4. So tetrazole has been successfully employed as a replacement for carboxyl group. The next is amide group bioisosteres. Bioisosteric replacement of amide group is used in the development of peptidomimetics types of compounds. In this replacement, peptide bond and fragment have been replaced. Heterocyclic rings such as 1,2,4 oxadiazole, 1,3,4 oxadiazole, and triazole such as 1,2,4 triazole have been used for replacement of amide group. In next slide, I have given a table of groups which are possible bioisosteric replacement for amide bond. These groups or bioisosteres mimic the amide group and elicit same biological response. These are the examples of amide group bioisosteres. The ability of these groups to be suitable bioisosteres for amide group. The next is thiourea bioisosteres. Thiourea bioisosteres have been successfully employed in the development of H2 receptor antagonist, which is widely used for the treatment of peptic ulcer. In the figure of meteamide, H2 antagonist, the replacement of thiourea with cyanoguanidino group obtained cimetidine. This drug is twice as active as meteamide. The next is halogen bioisosteres. The halogen group is replaced by cyano or trifluoromethyl group, which is a strong electron withdrawing group. The replacement is observed in benzyl uracil derivative for inhibition of liver uridine phosphorylase. Results suggested that the replacement of chloro atom with a strong electron withdrawing agent like cyano or trifluoromethyl resulted in decreased potency. Here in the figure, after replacement by cyano and trifluoro group, there is decrease in potency, that is from 2.5 to 13.2 and 21.4 for CN and CF3 group respectively. Now the term bioisosterism. Bioisosterism terms was given by Friedman for designing the biological active drug molecule. He prepared bioisosteric compounds by the definition of isoesters having similar biological activity. The next modern definition was also called flexible definition and has been given by Thornburg. Thornburg defined bioisosteres are group or molecule which have chemical and physical similarities producing broadly similar biological properties. He described that the use of bioisosterism demands physical, chemical, electronic and conformational parameters involved in plant bioisosteric substitution which is carefully analyzed to predict pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic properties of drug if any alteration is done as a bioisosteric replacement. Thornburg also defined 8 parameters which is also considered during bioisosteric replacement and making a structural moiety. These are size, that is molecular weight; second, shape, that is bond angle and hybridization; third, electronic distribution, that is polarizability, inductive effect, charge and dipole; lipid solubility, that is lipophilicity; water solubility, that is hydrophilicity; pKa, chemical reactivity including likelihood of metabolism, and hydrogen bond capacity. So this is all about isosterism and bioisosterism. We discussed the terminology of isosterism and bioisosterism, what is isosteres and its type. So thank you very much.